Learn solar system. Planet name. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and closest to the Sun. Venus. Venus spins slowly in the opposite direction from most planets. Earth. It is the only planet known to support life and is located third from the Sun. Mars. It is known as the red planet. Jupiter. It is the biggest planet of all and is located 5 planets away from the Sun. Saturn. It is the second largest planet in the solar system and the 6th planet from the Sun. Uranus. It is the 3rd largest planet by radius and the 4th largest planet by mass. Neptune. The solar system's farthest planet, known as Neptune, has located 8 planets from the Sun.